Gratitude makes everything the best. Now, let me prove that by saying you one story. Okay? Now, once in a village there lived Nihil and Sona, both were brother and sister. Okay? And one day, Nihil's mother gave a basket full of oranges. And Sona and Nihil, both of them, wished to share this among their friends. But Sona felt very upset because the oranges were not as good as what she was expecting. So it was not that fresh, but it was tasty too. Friends were very happy and warm. On way back, Nihil said, "It is not about what we have, but how we appreciate it is the real matter." Why are you feeling very upset about what has happened? Just see how our friends have enjoyed with us. Later, Sona realized that her brother was right and felt gratitude for the oranges and the happiness they got from sharing the oranges. From that day onwards, Sona remembered to be thankful for little things, because we all know that gratitude makes everything best. So the feeling of gratitude makes ourselves good enough, and so we good qualities and not brood over the situations, and we must feel happy and thankful for what we have, and develop the quality of gratefulness within ourselves so that we can make the best out of ourselves.